Well, there it is. Duke is all done. Now, I'm nervous. I'm not gonna lie, I'm nervous. But here we go, the big reveal. We tried to get it as close as how we had it laid out, so let's see how it is. Dun 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 dun. On the road again. Life I love is making videos for my friends. I can't wait to get on the road again. Hey guys, fun day today. I know, sorry for the singing, but I'm in a good mood. You know that? I'm driving Duke, and gosh, this guy in front of me is just dogging it. It's driving me nuts. But we're getting decals, decals. That's right. We're getting stripes. As much as I would like to paint them on, I got too many projects right now to paint them on. So we're gonna do decals, decals, and do the stripes that Dad picked. So I'm taking it to All Mobile Signs and Graphics here in Prince George. And you know what? They're just really good people. They're not sponsoring anything. I'm paying for it all, and I enjoy supporting small business in town because, let's face it, small business is what keeps the world flowing. You know, shop local, support your local economy, and all that good stuff. So anyways, taking Duke, gonna drop him off, gonna pick him up tomorrow afternoon. It's scheduled for tomorrow, but they're gonna start getting it laid out, and yeah, slow and steady, we're making Duke a real performer. So I've got him singled out so I can paint him, but I really should probably do my I got that input seal leaking, so I need to do that. Dad says, don't worry about it, but no, I think I gotta do that before I paint. And I also think I might get some new wood grain panels for like right there from the wreckers. So anyways, I will see you at All Mobile. I forgot to film when I got to All Mobile, so now I'm in the back of Andrea's Jeep because she picked me up. So anyways guys, the next time you will see me, we will be picking Duke up, and it'll be different. Just like, I don't know if it's gonna happen quite that fast, but it probably will for you, but it might be a day or two. I told them if they need it for the weekend, they can have it for the weekend. So anyways, back to work. Well, there it is. Duke is all done. Now, I'm nervous. I'm not gonna lie, I'm nervous. But here we go, the big reveal. We tried to get it as close as how we had it laid out, so let's see how it is. Dun 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 da da dee. OMG. Duke's got some stripes. We just, let's not look at that part. That looks good. What do you think, guys? Something totally different? Something you don't see every day? There we go. Very cool. Very cool. Yeah. She's not just a plain white truck anymore, and I had them do the stripes that goes all the way around the truck. So yeah, might be a little bit brighter than the not for hire, but not bad, not bad at all. Now it kind of makes the hood look, does it make the hood look flatter? What do you think? They'll look better once we have the aluminum wheels and stuff on. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go in and pay the bill and leave a note in the comments to me what you think. Big shout out to All Mobile Signs and Graphics for helping me out, and looking forward to doing the next one. So let's get the sucker home. It's no longer just plain white. No longer a plain Janer. Yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. What do you think, guys? Honest opinions. You know, at first, I'm not gonna lie, my first thought was, I don't know, but the more I look at it, the more it's growing on me. So kind of a neat design. It kind of looks modern even though it's not modern, but I definitely need to get that taken care of. But yeah. And Amber put it all the way around the back, so that way it goes back here, and it'll look better once I have a painted frame. So yeah, that'll look better with a painted frame. But slow and steady, Duke is coming along. So anyways, let's get rolling home and yeah, put this baby to bed. Look at that. A big shout out to All Mobile Graphics and Signs. They did another great job. So, thanks, guys. All right, guys. We got our decals. Let's rock on out of here. Give me an honest opinion as to what you think, and when we get home we'll do some more walkarounds of it. I'm a little nervous because, I mean, you know, blue is not my favorite color. In fact, blue is probably one of my least favorite colors, but being that Duke has a blue frame, you know, and he's blue all up under the cab and under the engine and that, you kind of gotta stick with blue in my opinion. So, and do I need to have red trucks all the time? No, I don't. Although I am a bit of a red hog, so love my red. And I would like to do one black. I know black is like one of the hardest colors, but you know what? I can't help it. I think black, at the end of the day, it always looks cool, especially black with lots of chrome. And I got another special surprise to show you guys too. I don't know if it'll be in the next video or not. Maybe it will be, but yeah, I got some special wheels for Smokey. I know, it's exciting. But I think I'm gonna put them on low and slow in the meantime. So, oh, there's Scott hauling some fire camps. Just had some really bad fires last night in Kelowna. People's houses burned down, the whole 9 yards. It's just devastating, terribly sad. It just, it's actually Friday today, and it really got me, yeah, really got me a little sad. So, but I'm grateful for it. As much as I don't like winter, forest fires are just a scary, scary thing. And I don't remember forest fires being as bad as they are these days, but, oh, and I better stop. Oh, wasn't that bad. We stopped. Raft of traffic behind me makes me just a little bit nervous. Oh, I guess it's not too bad. They're just gonna have to go at my pace. So there, na boo boo. Let's get ready to rock. Is that guy gonna go or is he gonna stop? Has he got the light? No, he's going. Now we can go. Just gotta slam them gears with, you know, not actually slamming them. Shift the gears. Don't slam the gears, just shift the gears. I think picking colors and stripes and all the rest of it is one of the hardest things. I really do. There we go. And we're home. What do you think, guys? Do you like it? I hope you like it, because it's done. It's starting to grow on me. Gotta say, it's starting to grow on me. So, looks like it's going fast, even when it's standing still. You definitely notice the slope of the hood. I mean, I was was wondering if the line should have been a little higher. But, that's okay. It's hard to get it across to people exactly how you want it. But it's pretty good. I think it's pretty good. I hope Dad likes it. That's actually the number one thing. I hope Dad likes it. So, I like it. You know what? I think it's looking good. So, anyways, guys, leave me a note down in the comments. Tell me what you think. Is it a yay? Is it an A? I hope it's a yay. If it's not, the good thing about decals, you can always change it. But I don't plan on changing it because that just cost me a little bit of money. So, but look at those two guys. Yeah. I'm gonna have to put some decals on Kenny. You know, because it'd be really easy to make him look like a Centennial truck. But you know what? I'm liking it. The more I look at it, the more I like it, and that's a good thing. I think it's tough doing stripes. It really is, because you got to have an eye for things. And, you know, they did it a little bit differently, because my thoughts were to have this there and have this up so that this line would kind of come along here and then wrap over just to try and make it look flatter. But it's kind of hard because this hood does have a lot of slope. I mean, it's not a 389. As much as I would like, or a 379, it's not a 379. But you know what? I think it looks good. I think it looks good. And now it's not just a solid white. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think. I'm going to go inside and have dinner. It's Pizza Friday. Take care. We'll see you in the next one. Yeah. It's okay. It's good. No, it's good. It's good.